So I'm here today to share with you all this blue Bobbi Boss ensemble that was sent to me by ebonyline.com to review. And just to make sure that I got the name and the specs and everything else correctly about this wig, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I'm rocking the Bobbi Boss premium synthetic wig, and it's handmade Swiss lace with deep party. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe, and the style name is called MLF192. The color that I am wearing is TT1B/INDBL. This is what the packaging is going to look like. That is the model that is on the packaging. And this is what it's looking like literally when you get it out of its packaging. I did not do any manipulation to this wig far as its styling go and the way in which you are seeing it. The only thing that I did was cut the lace off of the wig and put her on, and this is what I got. This is the parting space that comes with the wig. This is the natural length and width. I didn't even add no face powder onto the parting space or anything like that to brighten it up just yet. I've been rocking her straight out the pack just as you are seeing her, and I am ever so in love with this wig, especially its color. This blue color, it's not overwhelming, okay? It's definitely daytime wear friendly. You can wear this during the day and you're not gonna feel no kind of way about it. No ma'am. She's absolutely beautiful. Now, another thing about this Bobbi Boss wig that is really interesting, which I'm gonna read it to you from its packaging right here. Each hair strand on the lace is individually hand knotted, allowing the look of movement of natural hair in wide spectrum of dazzling colors and elegant styles. They were not lying when they said dazzling colors. Do you see the blue in this? And what I'm loving about it is I think they're giving you about 3 different color blues. You have your deep indigo blue, then you have your right here. It's right here. You have your light colored blue right here. You have the light blue right there. You have the indigo blue, and it's in an ombre-ish effect. So it's flowing throughout the hair where it's giving off a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hues of blue. And like I said, it's definitely daytime wear friendly, and it's not overwhelming. And the hair itself, it feels like I want to say some light yaki texture, you know, light yaki texture here. It's definitely soft though, and it's absolutely beautiful. Hence the reason why I'm uploading this video, so you can get a fair idea to see what this color is looking like if you might have had in mind for snatching it yourself, which I really feel that you should. So it also comes with some baby hairs, but before I get all, you know, too far into the video, let me show you what it looked like straight out of its packaging. So here's what the wig is looking like right out of its packaging. As you can see, the colors are so beautiful and vibrant. You got some indigo blue, some purple, and some sky blue, light blue colors. Beautiful. That is what the natural parting space is looking like. No need to manipulate it. It also comes with baby hairs along its perimeter for you to style, or you can cut them if you don't want them. It has 2 combs, one on each temple. It has a comb at the nape of the neck. The wig also have adjustable straps in the back for you to secure your wig. And like I said, beautiful colors. So now that you got a chance to see what it looked like straight out of its packaging, as I already mentioned, it has the comb and the nape of the neck. It also has adjustable straps, and the wig cap size is pretty standard with some room for stretch. I know you want to see the front, the back, you know what it's looking like on me, so this is what it's looking like from the front. I'm going to put the hair to the back, so keep in mind when I turn around, if you happen to see me spacing, that's because I had the hair coming forward. But this is what the front was looking like. This is what it was looking like from the side. This is the back. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. OMG. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. The side. And the front. And like I said, this wig is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Hence the reason why I uploaded this video, so you can be in love with this wig too. And not to mention, it is insanely affordable compared to a lot of the other wig websites. Ebonyline.com pricing is a force to be reckoned with. Dolls, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you check down in that description box below for the link that will take you directly to ebonyline.com, where you can score this wig at an insanely affordable price. I kid you not. When it comes to the ebonyline.com, their pricing it seriously is a force to be reckoned with, because they have a huge wig selection, and they also carry products that can help you care and maintain your wig as beautiful as the day you first got it. Okay, so really seriously check them out when you can. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and join in on an amazing official Glam Dolls community. And keep in mind, we still got to stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.